Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on the interaction between the trade console and the MT terminal. The trade console is at the heart of the Blackbox trade management system and has been designed to replace the MT terminal. However, the two can easily coexist, as will be demonstrated in this tutorial. So let's take a look at the Iron FX Forex install, which currently has 3 live trades running. As can be seen, the trade-specific information showing in the MT terminal is being reflected in the trade console. However, the information layout is different in the trade console and it is colour-coded accordingly. Let's close out part of the pound-dollar sell trade via the MT terminal. Notice how the chart has been automatically updated to show the result of this part close, with a solid rectangle which is 1/3 of the height of the original or parent trade, colour-coded light salmon since it is a sell trade. The trade console has also been updated such that the parent trade is now showing in the completed trades list for the current day, and the resulting child trade is in the live trade list under the Iron FX Forex install. In addition, a record of these events is now showing in the live event grid. The alerts panel has been updated to inform the user and the trade complete count is now 1. Now let's close out part of the pound-dollar child trade using the trade management tool by clicking on the corresponding trade entry on the grid and selecting the manage trade option. As before, when the part close is executed, the chart has been automatically updated, the parent trade is now showing in the completed trades list for the current day, and the resulting child trade is in the live trade list under the Iron FX Forex install. The live event grid and alerts panel have also been updated, and the trade complete count is now 2. Next, let's close out the trade completely via the MT terminal. Once again, this event has been captured and the chart, trade console grid, live event grid and alerts panel have been automatically updated. The trade complete count is now 3. Now, let's move the stop loss and take profit levels for the gold buy trade as normal by dragging them to a new position on the chart. Again, the trade console has been updated to reflect this change and the new levels are displayed in the corresponding columns in the grid. The Blackbox trade controller provides the option to detect trades that were initiated outside of the trade controller environment. This enables the user to import them and take advantage of the trade management, automated journaling features and other benefits that the trade controller provides. When a non-BTC trade is detected, the alerts panel will be updated and the user informed. So let's demonstrate this feature now. Firstly, the detection of non-BTC trades must be enabled for the MT account in use via the MT Install Manager, which is accessed via the Tools menu. The MT account is selected by clicking on the corresponding entry on the MT Install Manager grid and selecting Manage Account. The detection of non-BTC trades is enabled by checking the box alongside and clicking the Save button. Now let's open a Euro-Dollar buy trade via the MT terminal with a trade ticket. Notice how this non-BTC trade has been detected and the trade specifics are now being displayed in the Trade Console grid. In addition, a record of this event is displayed in the live event grid, the alerts panel has been updated to inform the user, and the non-BTC trade count is now 1. When the trade is closed via the MT terminal, the Trade Console is updated accordingly. The importing of non-BTC trades into the Trade Controller environment is covered in a separate tutorial. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.